I don't know. There's definitely conversations that need to be had, and I'm like, maybe I need to talk to Bennett, Benny, or Noah. Like, maybe they've seen something that I don't
Ngayon
know.
lang ako
You know
kumain
what I
guys
mean?
ng mga preservative na pagkain na, I mean yung iniinit, yung ganun. Hindi ko hilig ganito eh. Parang feeling ko, pag kumain ako ng ganito, feeling ko ang sobrang chemical na ng katawan ko.
Ano naman siya?
Mm.
Malinis naman yan.
Kaya lang yung mga pang preserved, mga ganun, syempre, pampabawas ng buhay yun eh.
Because that was not part of the game.
No, it
Mm.
was not part of the game. It was definitely after everything had been done. And then they started making out. I don't remember who pulled the covers went over. There's hands moving around. Maybe like
Masama sa health
that
to.
was it.
Under the covers, like, come on.
I
For
just
that detail to come out now after we've already.
Ay,
talked
gutom
about
eh.
it, I'm like,
I just know if I have the connection that he says he has with you,
Bakit lasing pa
I
kayo?
don't think I would have done those things.
There's a lot
Hindi
going
kayo
on in my
natutulog,
brain right now, and it's just, I'm at the edge. I really am, just because it's like, what do I do, you know?
Ayoko na. Ayoko na natin.
You seemed like regretful the next morning. Why would you be so regretful for just
Thank
making out with
you.
a girl? You didn't do anything with anybody here. Like you sent 3 dudes home. Like you could have done a lot of other things, and you did.
You're right. Like, I've done nothing, and I did not have to go and do all of that to know that it was. still
Thank
Johnny.
you, you. Si Gracia ba to?
If Johnny's hiding something, like, I can't trust
Thank
him.
you,
And this
you,
one is
sir.
exactly as I want to be with Johnny, like, that's where I have to jump on.
Yes, pagod kami. Abangan yung vlog namin,
It's
guys.
Love Island, where after Sally asked Noah for the truth about Johnny's fling, Noah flooded the villa
Dinner
with
pa lang
tea.
namin to.
Almighty with the call for Sally.
Ngayon pala kami magdi-dinner.
Seriously, your face, man.
This whole situation sucks. Like,
Yeah.
like I just talked to Noah, and it's just like a completely different, like, perspective. You know what I mean? It just like makes me feel like maybe this is why Johnny like spared me all the details, because like it's hard to hear that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And maybe that's why he just like wanted to give me like the facts and like the big stuff, but it just like it makes me feel like I don't know, like the one thing I don't know why I just can't get over is how dismissive and how like he made light of the situation before telling me what happened. It was the it's nothing, baby, I promise it's nothing. Like, we'll talk about it, it's nothing. It's like I feel like I'm being like manipulated, and I just feel dumb that like I didn't see this before. And like I'm not gonna stand for that.
Up to the point we left for Casa More. Me and Sally had no problem.
May camera
I'll
din
be
silang
back for
ano.
that. There's been multiple times where she has been in a mood. And I am not a dummy. I made the assumption, and I was right.
Pero parang mas
All
malinaw.
of those problems.
Well, puro ilaw yung lugar eh. Ganda na ako, ganda ng quality.
What I did
Puro ilaw eh.
Willingly.
Ilaw sila.
to weaken her trust in me.
It is beyond a bad look. It is even worse for your girl, for anybody, but specifically your girl, to question whether or not
Yun yung
she's
camera
in it.
nila, ang ganda ng
Oo.
quality.
You know what I'm saying?
Parang the house of collab.
And then it makes me nitpick again, like my day after my day with Johnny. Like, how did you go and do all of that, and then fault me
Yeah.
for going on a date?
Literally, okay.
And it's like, yes, at first I was like, I could get over him taking outside the challenge. I could get over it, like him being in bed with someone, fine. But like, now hearing all of it, like, I deserve someone that's gonna like.
Di ako
be
lasing
as
doon.
loyal
Pagod
as
lang
I am,
ako.
You know what I mean? And like that's why I'm struggling so hard right now, because like I really want to be with Johnny, but like how much is okay to put up with? Like I know like I don't deserve to be put through this. Like I really don't.
Di ako lasing doon, guys. Pagod lang ako. Tsaka antok ako. Ganun. Excuse me.
You got it, bro. Just you gotta take some punches. Just take them. You gotta show them go.
You need to put your foot down.
Uy, bubo.
I don't want it to ever be like you taking your kindness, your forgiveness for granted. Because I know you don't want to end it like that.
Bu.
Would you?
Thank you.
It's just like, I get like what I deserve, and I feel like.
Minom ka na?
Binti ko, hindi ko kaya.
Minom ka ng tubig?
If this was all reversed and all of this was happening to me, what advice would you give me?
Lagyan mo dyan sa'yo.
I would tell you it's not worth it. So then I think that maybe you
Paano yun dyan sila maghihiwalay? Ano?
Ano sila maghihiwalay?
Gawa na lang sa pick-up lane sa labas.
Lalaki. Ay! Naku.
Parang ano.
Parang
Ayun yung jawa niya. Ganda na yun. Lalo sinasayang. Ganda ng lugar nila. Ano sana ganyan din.
Next time,
May rooftop.
it's a massive.
Diba parang veranda nila yan.
at a crossroads. I'm being asked to trust you, and it's like, how can I trust you?
I'm telling you the truth.
Fuckboy.
No, I'm not.
Yes, babalik na kami ng Manila tomorrow. Gabi ang lapag namin sa airport sa Naiya. 8:40 ang lapag namin. 8:40 p.m. Hello, Daddy's Pug. Thank you, Daddy's Pug. Regalo ko, Daddy's Pug. Char. Pagbalik ko, sige. Guys, quick live lang ako ha. Kasi antok na ako eh. Nagpack lang kami ng mga gamit. Thank you, Rochelle. Thank you, Kit. Sinagip ko. Sinaregalo ko. Birthday ko. Birthday ko nung isang araw. Ay, kahapon pala. Sorry. Wala ko na isang araw birthday ko. Kahapon nga pala. Kahapon lang pala birthday ko. Hindi man ako binati, guys. Liana, nalimutan niya ata. Ay, no, isang araw birthday ko. Ay, 28 hindi. 28 na ngayon, madaling araw. Dapat kahapon yun, dapat. Wala. Wala nga akong cake eh. Birthday ko, wala akong binlow na cake.
Parental guidance is recommended for the following program, with occasional adult elements.
Previously on Love Island.
Yung comment niya about sa Nino, kabit ni Pablo.
Relationships.
I just need to know without any concern on your week or not. You need that guy to know that.
Saw
You'll be bobbing and weaving social media punches.
some twists and turns.
What he said was not even half of what really happened.
What am I missing here? How much is okay to put up with?
Laurel is going to realize Carrington is as deep as a puddle. Would we be boyfriend and girlfriend? No.
Maganda sana yung may taga-video. Tapos, di ba, makakapag-loving kami. Thank you, Chami.
But I literally, I can't make
Edit ko pa yun.
because I understand where you're coming from.
The way that you've been acting for the past few days, the guilt is like, well, what more happened? Like,
Sleep na ng 1 a.m. Guys, 16 minutes. Sleep na. 16 minutes na lang.
There's things that I can't do to get you to make this decision. Trust me.
Ayan.
And
16. Thank you, J-Pub. Thank you, Lenecor. Sundarecho. Thank you, Arisa. Thank you. Kumain kami, Ate Pati, 7-Eleven.
like I'm exhausted. You're like, yeah, well, I'm exhausted. I'm like,
It's all my fault. How many times have you said it is my fault? Everything that is happening right now. Is all
Pangit
what I did.
I just don't know where to go from here. I'm being asked to trust you, and it's like, how can I trust you? And the fact that you keep saying is all I can do is be honest. I'm sorry, but that's not,
Daw.
like as much as that hurts, it's not enough.
Honestly,
Thank you, Mommy.
And I'm being
Guys, so alam mo yung sasabihin, congratulations sa atin. Kasi alam nyo bakit? May Kumu contract na tayo, guys. Starting November 1. Starting November 1, guys. Pero, kailangan namin ng support nyo kasi nasa tier 1 tayo, guys. Nasa tier 1 tayo ng Kumu contract. So, kailangan ma-maintain natin yung dayas na minimum dayas na kailangan. Kasi, pag hindi natin yun na-achieve, halimbawa, this November 1 hanggang end of the month ng November, hindi natin na-achieve. Ang dayas na kailangan natin monthly is 12 million dayas. So, na-achieve naman natin yung pag everyday tayo nagla-live, na-achieve namin yun. Pagka nagsisipag mag-live. Tapos, guys, halimbawa, hindi natin na-achieve yung 12 million dayas sa November. First month, diba? Yung first month natin na November, hindi natin na-achieve. So, walang incentives yun. Yung second month, pag hindi pa rin natin na-achieve, wala pa rin incentives yun, pero kuha mo yung dayas mo. Sa third month, na wala pa rin, hindi mo pa rin na-achieve yung goal, mawawala na sa'yo yung Kumu contract. So, kailangan natin magtulungan sa starting November 1, magla-live stream. Kahit ang goal lang natin everyday is 200 sa live sa umaga, kahit 200k lang, ganun. Then, 200k sa hapon, ganyan. O sabihin na natin, baka 500k tayo everyday, dream high. Diba? Kasi kung ita-times mo yun, kung everyday magla-live, diba? Kung 400 times 30, tama, equals 12 million.
come to the point where
Oh, yun. 12 million. Tama yung computation ko.
I very much thought
Guys, naniniwala kami sa kakayahan ng mga Casbinatics, ng mga big boos. Hindi naman sa pine-pressure namin kayo. Yung kaya nyo lang ganyan, kumbaga parang sa pagtutulungan natin, ganun. Kahit na halo-halo lang yan, mga ganyan, di ba? Maiipon yan. Basta starting November 1, lagi nyo tatandaan, target natin 500k. 400k minimum. Tapos, kahit pataas na yun, much better. So, halimbawa sa umaga, magla-live kami ni Bubu, tag 1 oras kami kunwari. So, dapat maka-reach kami kahit tag 200k, ganyan. Tapos sa hapon, ganun din. So, pagka na-maintain natin everyday, ganun yung diets natin, makukuha namin incentives and mag-stay yung contract sa amin. Yun, magpakalaki tayo ng pamilya, guys. Konting push pa, guys. Konting pagsisikap pa, konting pagtitiis pa, guys. Kami naman susuklian namin yung mga ginawa nyo para sa amin. Ayan. Lahat ng hirap, pagod, ayan. Lahat ng mga blessings na natatanggap namin soon, kami naman ang magbibigay, di ba? Yun, gusto ko kasi yun eh. Pangarap ko makatulong sa mga tao eh. Sa mga homeless, gusto kong matulungan yung mga matatanda, yung mga pinabayaan ng mga anak, ganun. Yung tipong sobrang, alam mo yun, yung sobrang tanda na tapos nasa kalsada namamalimos. Kawawa kasi sila eh. Yun talaga yung goal ko eh. Sabi ko nga dati, pag yumaman talaga ako, yun talaga yung gagawin ko. Kasi guys, kawawa yung natin, mga magulang, 'di ba? Imagine niyo yun kung magulang niyo yung nandun namamalimos. 'Di ba? Anong mararamdaman niyo dun? Masakit yun. Makakita ka lang ng matanda na sobrang matanda na mamalimos, walang yung parang gutom na gutom, 'di ba? Parang kahit pagkain man lang, hindi man lang mabigyan ng di ba? Kumbaga, hindi maibigay ng pamilya or kung ba't nasa kalsada siya. Yun. Gusto ko pag naging successful kami ni Bobo, gusto ko yun. As in talagang successful na ha. Yung talagang masasabi mong successful, yung mga meron na kaming mga na-invest, yung may mga masasabi kami, uy, amin yan, mga gano'n, di ba? Sa amin to, business namin to. Pag may mga gano'n na kami, gusto ko magkakaroon din kami ng charity. Kahit every month, ganyan, may pa-feeding program, mga gano'n. Gusto ko yun. Promise, sobrang sayo kapag gano'n. Pag may mga natutulungan ako. Especially sa mga matatanda. Yun talaga yung kahinaan ko, mga matatanda. Kahit wala na akong matira sa bulsa ko, ganyan. Basta yung maabot ko lang doon sa matanda. Dito nga sa Hong Kong, kahit dito rin pala sa Hong Kong, ang dami rin palang mga homeless, mga matatanda. Gusto kong abutan. Kaya lang, sakto lang yung dala naming Hong Kong dollars. And hindi ko alam kung okay na ba sa kanila yung ganito. Ganyan. Kung may mabibili na sila sa ganun. Kasi ang din dito, mahal din kasi ng mga bilihin. Kasi guys, before, nung nag-pandemic din, kahit simpleng ilang kilong bigas lang, ganyan, noodles, nagbigay ako ng help sa barangay namin, ganyan. And sa kabilang barangay. Tapos, yung nag-ipon ako ng mga konting groceries, ganyan. Tapos sa QC, nagbigay din ako, ganyan. Tapos, hindi ko nga ine-expect na yung isang matandang nabigyan ko is lola ni Donalyn Bartolome. Nabigyan ko ng isang supot ng grocery. Kaso patay na ngayon. Na dami lang nagtag sa akin nun. Lola pala niya yun. Di ko alam. Basta naabutan ko na naka-wheelchair siya nun eh. Basta yun guys, gusto kong maging successful. Maging successful kami. Kaya yan, tulungan nyo kami na ma-reach namin yung mga goal namin na dayas, minimum, kahit minimum lang, ganyan. Pagka kami naging successful, asahan niyo yan. Ako na nagpapatunay sa inyo. Ako na nagpa-promise sa inyo. Ako na yung sa akin na mismo yan ang galing. Yung mas gugustuhin kong tumulong kesa yun, di ba? Lagi na lang yung tanggap ng tanggap. Minsan gusto ko talaga tumulong sa mga, ewan ko, mas malambot, hindi na wala naman ako sa mga bata, pero mas malambot lang yung puso ko sa matatanda. Kasi mga bata minsan napag-uutusan na lang na mamalimos, ganyan. Kaya, pero pag may nakikita akong bata na namamalimos, mas gusto kong binibigyan ng pagkain kaysa pera. Kasi, baka saan lang mapunta yung pera eh. Nabalikan mo na ba yung matanda na nagbebenta ng mga bote, yung binigyan mo sa vlog mo? Sino po matanda na nagbebenta ng bote? Nalimutan ko na po yun. Sino po doon? Anong lugar? Matanda, yung maglola? Ate Pangka, yung sa Tarlac. Oo, binigyan ko yun, yung maglola. Nung pagkabigi ko nun, nagpunta ako ng SM Tarlac. Tapos, ayun, siguro kinabukasan, hindi, mga after 2 days na operahan ako. Ano yun? Parang, na-operahan ako nun. After 2 days, bigla akong nagkasakit. Nagkaroon ako ng appendicitis. Kaya tinanggal yung appendix ko nun. Na-opera. Ayun, yung time na yun, di ba, tumulong pa ako, nagbigay ako dun sa maglola. Tapos after 2 days, nagkaroon ako ng sakit, appendicitis, na-operahan ako. Then ako naman yung nangailangan ng tulong. Then ito nga yung kwento na yun. Parang, sa oras na ikaw yung may kailangan, parang wala ibang tutulong sa'yo kundi sarili mo. Yun yung naano ko nun sa akin. Pero hindi ko ina-expect that time na na-operahan ako, na umiiyak na ako that time. Dahil, syempre, wala naman ibang tutulong sa akin. Thank you, Big Mia G. Ninang. Naisip ko na talaga tutulong sa akin nun. Tapos hanggang sa umiiyak na ako, alam yung kaka-opera ko lang umiiyak ako. Tapos, parang nag-decide yung ate ko na, mag-fundraising. Tapos, pumayag na ako. Kahit sobrang nahihiya talaga ako. Kaso, walang magagawa. Tapos, di ko in-expect na nag-fundraising, guys. Hindi ko na-expect. Ang daming nagmamahal pala sa akin. Hindi ko yun aklain. Ang dami palang nagmamahal na kahit pa 10 piso, 20, 5 piso, 2, ganyan. Naipon guys, yung mga sinend sa GCash. Nakalabas ako ng hospital. Yung bill ko kasi nung sa hospital, umabot ng 90,000. Mga 4 days lang ata ako. Nakalabas ako. Yung araw din na yun. Yung time na nag-fundraising. Kaya sobrang thankful. And ayun, yung hindi ko inakala na may mga magbibigay ng tulong that time. Kasi akala ko, nahihiya rin kasi ako ayoko eh. Parang ayokong humihingi ng tulong kasi mas gusto kong tumutulong ako. Kaya nahihiya ako nahihiya ako magsabi na nahihirapan ako, ganyan. Kahit sabihin mong nahihirapan ako sa buhay, ganyan. Minsan, hindi ko yun sabihin. Kasi, yung ayoko ng ganun. Parang feeling ko nahihiya ako, ganyan.
I feel like I am open
Oh, sleep well na siya eh.
We connect on a lot more than Carrington and I do, but Carrington and I have that affectionate and romantic side.
How much ang one sack of rice din sa Pinas? Yung kalahating kaban kasi Ate Pangs nasa ano yun eh, 1.3 ganyan, 1.2.
It's just like what
Ano
do you
ko,
want
hindi ko
more,
alam.
honestly. So
Yeah, we can chat. Cheers to that.
appreciate it.
Oo nga, Ate Pati. Basta yon.
Sally's wearing shades indoors
Soon.
and hiding
Soon
under the
yan.
covers,
Gusto ko
which
magkaroon ng
Johnny
charity.
interprets as a clear invitation to
Thank you,
talk.
Ate Pati. La, Ate Pangs.
Just wanted to let you know.
Hindi, gusto ko minsan magkaroon ng ano, schedule. Tapos mag ano.
Come off in any way. I'm just trying
Hindi guys, ang gusto ko kasi yung magmumula talaga sa amin, yung i-help namin sa mga tao. Pero, pwede rin naman kayong mag-help. Yung, I mean, kung gusto nilang help, ganun, okay lang.
Incredibly, just after being friend-zoned by Connor,
And sobrang
Moira
thankful
developed
talaga
a
kami
sudden
kasi
interest in Bennett.
dumating kayo sa buhay namin, mga baby boos, big boos. Kasi, alam niyo yun, parang
After yesterday,
hindi ko rin ine-expect yung ganito ka-healthy family. Hindi ko ine-expect ganito ka-healthy fandom. Yung, ano, alam mo yung,
I did. I thought that when
basta lahat ng mga nangyayari ngayon, hindi ko ine-expect to. Yung dati, sa Nick Pop. Oo, marami.
But then, like I said, I was also very attracted to you and to the whole process.
Thank you.
No, of course. But that is-
Guys, mag-end live na ako ha.
I see
Sakto nyo na kayong 100k to para ano.
Tapos
Tapos tulog na rin ako. Tulog na po.
But again, it's just
Sakto nyo na lang 100k. Sleep well na ako guys.
pretty open.
Para makatulog na ako. Para makapagpahinga na rin ako. Maaga pa ako bukas. Dali, 100k nyo na lang. Tapos end live na ako. Bukas mag-edit ako ng vlog sa aeroplano. Sa airport mag-edit ako. Dali, 100k nyo na. End live na ako. Ate Pangs, thank you kanina sa binigay mo ha. Flight namin 6:15 p.m. Ang lapag namin sa airport sa NAIA is 8:40 p.m. 100k nyo na guys. Tulog na ako. Nangingitim na mata ko. Hindi na nawala yung pamumula ng mata ko guys. So, tapos meron yung parang, parang may nakabukol sa mata ko. Hindi, Ate Pati, yung mata ko talaga may problema talaga. Pina-check ko na to eh. Hindi ko lang na ano yung sa gamot. Gawa ng busy kami noon. Nung nagpa-practice na. Hindi na ako nakapagpatak ng gamot. Gusto ko ang patingin ulit to. Kasi nga, yun, yung hindi nawawala. Yun yung parang bukol sa mata ko. Yung nakaumbok. Yun o. Napapansin to ni kasi hindi nawawala yung pamumula ng mata ko lagi. Laging mapula. Hindi siya maputi. Tapos, may nakaumbok na, siguro may problema talaga yung mata ko or what, ayokong yung mata ko. Tagal na nito, Frez, O, kita mo ba? May nakabukol sa mata ko. Kita niyo yan? Kita niyo? Diba? Guys, sakto nyo na. Dali. 9k na lang. 9k na lang, guys. Para makatulog na ako. Dali. 9k na lang. Gusto ko na matulog.
This season, the opposing tribe is made up of former champions. Survivor is ready, go! Taking physical prowess to the next level.
Sige guys, kung di na kaya, end live na po ako. Magpapahinga na po ako guys. Sige, 20 seconds guys, end live na. Thank you, Mommy. Good night. Big Mia G. Okay, 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay guys, thank you so much. Good night po sa inyo. Mag-ingat po palagi and ayan, see you tomorrow. See you later. Bye-bye.